Hello friends, welcome to Everything Yagnik. In this video, I am unboxing this package which contains Redmi Note 5. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox it. Here comes the box of Redmi Note 5. Let me peel the plastic cover first. It says India's number one smartphone brand MI, Redmi Note 5 on the front. Also Redmi Note 5 on right and left. On the back, here are some features of Redmi Note 5, just like it has new aspect ratio 18:9, front selfie light and 4000 mAh battery which is high capacity, and Snapdragon 625 processor. It is gold 3GB 32GB variant. It is manufactured in April 2018, says made in India. Here it says that do not accept if seal is broken. So let's break this seal and unbox the Redmi Note 5. On the top of the box we have this content. This is a good quality TPU case for our Redmi Note 5. It is very soft in feel and it's not a hard TPU case. Also it is very thin, so thumbs up. Next in the box we have Redmi Note 5 itself. Here is how it looks with new aspect ratio 18:9. Let's take it aside and see the pamphlets and user manual. Here is a user manual of Redmi Note 5. Let's take a look. It says 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card is supported at a time. Here is some other pamphlets and warranty guide. It shows the warranty type and warranty term of all the accessories and the device itself. Let's see what is else given in the box. First of all, we have a USB cable. One end is USB type A and the other end is micro USB. It is enough long, but it is not that long which we were getting in the earlier Redmi Note series box. Now here comes the power brick. Let's see what is the rating of this power brick. Here is the rating. It is 5 volt 2 ampere output. There is nothing else in the box except the SIM ejector tool of this type. Now let's have a look at Redmi Note 5 itself. Let me give a physical overview. On the top, here how it looks on the top. Here is IR blaster, secondary noise cancellation mic and 3.5 mm headphone jack. On this side, there is nothing else except three buttons, which is power button and volume keys. On the bottom, there are two grills, in which one is mic and the other is speaker, and this is USB, micro USB input or output. On this side, there is nothing else the same slot. Let's open it. So nice to see, it is hybrid SIM slot. That is, you can use one nano SIM card and one SD card. Otherwise, you can use two nano SIMs at the same time. On the front, here is selfie light, sensor and front camera, which is 5 megapixel. On the back, we have this nice looking antenna bands and 12 MP camera, and here is fingerprint sensor along with the dual tone LED flash. Here how it looks. Let me peel this sticker off. Now it is looking so gorgeous. Here it says Made in India and MI company logo. So it was Redmi Note 5. Full review for this device is coming soon on Everything Yagnik. So stay subscribed. Bye bye.